Yeah, okay, see, check it, yeah, okay, Doughboy on this bitch. Hate me, motherfucker, yeah, I'm trying to get rich. Just the white boy, KC, fitted on. What you know about that, motherfucker? Yeah, I'm out blown. I'm in my zone. Fucking with me hot, you gon' be funny. I had you jumping off like a little bitch bunny. Because you come up, you talk shit, get slick. Guess what, motherfucker? Get your tongue flipped. Come on with a two-piece, yeah, you know that's right. Motherfuckers hate, cause I'm always down to fight. Yeah, my homies don't know. Come around, motherfuckers, yeah, we got a show. We gon' do it from the show me living it. Staying with it, motherfucker, yeah, we getting it. Yeah, I'm trying to chase this money, trying to get my hustle on. Fucking with me, yeah, what you grown? Nah, see, you ain't grown, you ain't shit to me. Yeah, fat white boy wearing a white tee. Yeah, I'ma do what I do, staying with it, ain't nobody like my crew. Yeah, we got the boys, yeah, we reppin' different colors, red and blue, staying true. What you know, motherfucker, what the fuck you do? Nothing. Killer City, KC Mo. Yeah, we in the motherfucking show. And if you're down to go, man, you better be down to blow. And I ain't playing, man, got some crazy shit on the go. Yeah, some shit is getting a little funky, some shit not sounding right. But in my head, guess what, motherfucker, it sounds right. Yeah, double that, and I'ma stay with it. I'ma stay on my grind, and I'ma do what I do. And if you motherfuckers say, hey, fuck you. Yeah, I'm just fucking around, high as fuck, but you know this is how we get down. Joe Soriano, yeah, aka the Dope Boy. That's my boy, fucking say some shit and make some big noise. Yeah, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be where I'm at. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be on this map. Dustin and Alicia Atkins, yeah, they my crew. For them, I don't know what I should do. I owe my lifetime and I owe them everything. Little J the Bug, yeah, you my buddy. What's up, bud?